Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect your Senior domain to Lovable AI. So the first thing that you will have to do is log into your Lovable account, and once you're here, you will just have to go to your profile, and then you will go to your settings, and under the settings, you will see custom domains. If you do have the full version or the full plan, or if you already have your plan or your account all set up, you should see that. So once you see custom domains, just click that and click add domain. And next you will type in your hosting your domain name. And after that, you will log into your hosting your account. And then next you will go to your domain section and then click DNS zone. And then you will add a CNAME or a record pointing to the Lovable AI address. And finally, you will just have to go back to your Lovable account and then go ahead and click verify domain and confirm your domain works correctly. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.